Before buying iSqFt, here are 12 essential things you need to know to ensure it fits your needs. Construction management software can be a game changer, but iSqFt has pros and cons you should consider, especially when compared to competitors like Buildertrend or Procore. First, iSqFt is primarily focused on project bidding, subcontractor management, and pre-construction activities. If you need a tool for detailed project management, scheduling, or post-construction workflows, this might not be the best fit. Buildertrend and Procore offer more comprehensive solutions for end-to-end project management. Next, iSqFt has an extensive database of project leads, which is fantastic for getting access to new opportunities. However, this feature is mainly useful for businesses involved in bidding for public projects. If you're more focused on the day-to-day management of existing projects, the leads might not be as relevant to you. The third thing to consider is its ease of use. iSqFt is relatively simple to navigate, but it lacks some of the intuitive interfaces that competitors like Buildertrend offer. You'll need a bit of time to familiarize yourself with the platform before jumping into using it daily. The fourth thing is the mobile app. While iSqFt's mobile app does allow you to access project information and manage leads on the go, it's not as feature-rich as some other apps in the construction management software space. For example, Procore's mobile app offers a more robust set of tools for construction workers and project managers. The fifth thing to know is its pricing structure. iSqFt doesn't provide clear pricing details up front. You'll need to contact them for a quote, which can vary based on the size of your business. Compared to competitors like Buildertrend, who offer transparent pricing plans, this might be a deal breaker for some. Next, iSqFt does have good customer support, but it may not be as responsive as you would like when you need immediate help. In comparison, Procore is known for its excellent customer support, offering various resources like a knowledge base, live chat, and phone support. The seventh thing is integration with other software. iSqFt can integrate with some tools, but it's not as seamless as platforms like Buildertrend or Procore, which offer a broader range of integrations, especially for accounting and payroll systems. The eighth thing to keep in mind is the project tracking feature. iSqFt is solid when it comes to tracking bidding opportunities, but it lacks deeper project tracking features like scheduling and resource management, which are strengths of competitors like Buildertrend. The ninth point is its subcontractor management tools. iSqFt does allow you to manage subcontractors, but the functionality is limited compared to Procore's extensive subcontractor portal, which allows for better collaboration and document sharing. The 10th thing is collaboration. While iSqFt does offer some basic collaboration features, it doesn't have the same level of teamwork and communication tools found in other platforms like Buildertrend. If seamless communication across teams is a priority, you might want to look elsewhere. The 11th thing to consider is data security. iSqFt offers standard data protection, but if your business requires a higher level of security, you may want to consider more robust systems like Procore, which is known for its advanced security features. The final thing to know is its reporting capabilities. iSqFt does offer basic reports, but it lacks the customization and depth of reporting tools that you'll find in Buildertrend or Procore, making it less suited for larger, more complex projects. Overall, iSqFt is a solid choice for contractors focused on bidding and pre-construction work, but if you're looking for a more comprehensive construction management solution, there are better options available. If you want to explore a tool that's a bit more flexible and offers a free trial, check out our recommended solution.